Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use HTML in Google Sites in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on sites.google.com. Afterwards, you just have to either open a blank website, or you can also open any of your existing websites which you want to add it. Now, when you are inside your Google website, in the right hand section, you are going to see this insert tab. Underneath the insert tab, we will have text box, images, embed, drive, etc. So Google Sites offer multiple content options, including these options that are given over here. So in order to add HTML based content, you just have to click on this embed option. Now, as soon as you click on it, it is going to show you further two options like my URL and embed code. So since you want to use HTML code, you just have to click on the option of embed code. After that, you just have to insert your custom HTML snippet, such as any contact form or calendar or widgets or buttons. So here the code can look something like this. After pasting this particular code, you just have to press next in the bottom right hand corner. Now it is going to show you the preview of the embedded code here. So when you are okay with it, simply click on the option of insert. And as you can see, that's how you can use HTML in Google Sites. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.